What's up, everybody? Thank you for joining us for our update today for the month of May. My name is Daniel. DeJohn's on Discord and other platforms, and I'm going to be giving you today's update. So we have a few things to go over. The first biggest news is the newest treasure chest update, 8.2, I believe. I guess I should look that up. But yeah, the newest treasure chest update. You can find the link for it on our website, piratechain.com/wallets. Some of the major changes on here were a few bug fixes that Forge went ahead and took care of for us. The biggest one being the URI handling. That was broken for a little while apparently, and Forge got it all fixed up. So if you are a merchant or selling products for ARRR anywhere on the internet, you can use this to create QR codes and automatically fill in amounts and stuff like that for your website for whatever goods or services you are offering. So if you need more information on that, you can find in support page on Discord if you want to ask us directly. And we're working on getting some documentation up on the website to help merchants handle that more efficiently. But until then, you can contact one of us or go to the support page on Discord. And that update is 5.8.2. Sorry, I didn't have that in front of me at the time. So the next issue we fixed was the note issue no showing in the wallet when using consolidation or sweep, and he fixed some transactional and metadata leakage from the RPC while the wallet is locked. He also added a new feature, new configuration feature called Unlock for Reporting. This allows transactional data and non-key data to be reported while the wallet is locked. So it's a setting you can toggle on and off through the CLI, which some merchants or people who need employees or other people to be able to access transactional information without being able to access the wallet to make transactions. That's who that is useful for. So if you need more information on that, you can also ask us in the support chat here on Discord. The next item we have to cover is, we were going to point out that Pirate sponsored the Libertarian Convention this past week. We generally try not to wade into politics, but this was a pretty big deal since two of the leading presidential candidates both spoke there and at an event Pirate Chain sponsored. So there was a lot of eyeballs on that with Pirate's logo floating around over there. So we're happy Amy did that for us. And some new people learned about Pirate at the Libertarian Convention. We also sponsored a party that night, Enemies of the State. It was a kind of a after party on Friday night during the convention. It was hosted by the Central New Jersey Libertarians, and it had a few really good artists perform, like the Free Knots, who are some supporters of Pirate Chain. So if you're not familiar with their music, they're really good and have great messaging. So go check out the Free Knots. Their website's freenauts.com, FREENAUTS, and I'm sure they're on YouTube and other platforms. So go check those guys out. They're called the Free Knots. And they had a good turnout at that, and everybody had a really good time. So, and it supported a really good cause. It was raising money for Julian Assange, Edward Snowden, and I believe also Ross Ulbricht to help pay for their legal costs, which are causes that most of us support here. So it was a good event for us to sponsor, and we're happy Amy was able to get us on there like that. We also got support from two new services. One of them called Trocador, TROCODOR, and this is a service that allows you to buy prepaid cards and gift cards with different cryptocurrencies, and they just added Pirate Chain for support. So this is another great way that you can actually use your Pirate Chain in the real world. They got dozens and dozens of different gift cards from different businesses that you could go and buy with your Pirate Chain for a small fee. And it makes it really easy if you need to cash out some of your Pirate to make a purchase. You can just, whatever you need to buy, you go find the store you need to buy it from, swap your ARRR for a gift card and go make your purchase. Makes using it a lot easier. They also have some other cool services on that website. They have like an AML checker, which we don't really need. It's a service that allows you to check a transparent crypto's history to see if it's been used from darknet websites or from a sanctioned address or something like that before you buy the crypto or use it. So that just highlights, you know, how dangerous transparent chains can be. So that's something we don't need at Pirate Chain because our transactions are 100% shielded and our coins are 100% fungible. So there's nothing to check. But yeah, go check out Trocador, TROCADOR.app, and they got some really useful stuff over there. The next one I'm really excited about, I haven't got around to trying yet, but I am definitely going to. It's a service called Monazon, like Amazon and Monero combined into one word. And they recently added support for Pirate Chain, which is really exciting. This allows you to purchase any item from Amazon completely anonymously. Instead of sending it to your address, they send it to one of those Amazon lockers, and it's done under someone else's name, so you never have to give any personal information whatsoever, and you can pay for it directly with Pirate Chain. Also, you could be an executor, I'm sorry, brain fart, executor, where you could actually earn some Pirate Chain or Monero or whatever other currency you'd like to accept, and earn a percentage for making those orders for people. Obviously, you won't gain the privacy from it. You would be offering the service of privacy to others. So if that's something you'd be interested in, trying to make a little crypto on the side, you can also become an executor. It's called Monazon, and it's MONEZON.com. And I'm really excited to try these guys out because that opens up a whole new world of possibilities. Amazon has just about everything you could imagine or ever need for purchase on there at good prices. And now you can use your Pirate Chain there and get it shipped to you anonymously if you have those Amazon boxes in your area. So it's a really cool service. I've heard of other companies offering similar services. I have not tried this one yet, but I'm really excited to. And that's something we should really take advantage of. You know, Pirate Chain is a currency. We are money. We're private money. So your private money isn't going to give you any privacy unless you're using it. So now we can use it to order off Amazon, which is really exciting. I will follow up next month after I make an order with it and let you guys know how it went. So I'm pretty stoked about that. Let me see what else we had to go over. Oh, I wanted to mention the events that Pirate Chain will be represented at this year. We are going to be at the Null 404 party during DEF CON. That is, let me get the date for that real quick. I'm sorry, I should have had this up. Or Werelock, if you could remind me of the date for the Null 404 party. Anyways, Null 404 is a cybersecurity group, and they will be having some representation at DEF CON this year, which is a huge white hat hacker convention in Vegas every year, and it is really, really big, and lots of smart people and important innovations happen there. So we're not officially sponsoring DEF CON, but we are sponsoring an after party where there'll be some sort of scavenger hunt type thing, or clues that will hand out, you know, information during the day to people at DEF CON, and if you figure out all the clues, you can find the address to the party where there'll be free drinks and stuff in a nice hotel suite. And Pirate Chain will be giving a presentation there and sponsoring the event and have a booth up there. So it's going to be DEF CON's a really, really cool event with lots of people who are into cybersecurity and into privacy, so it's a ripe audience for Pirate Chain. So I think it's really cool that we're going to end, you know, a few of us are going to be at DEF CON, and we'll be handing out pirate swag and talking to people all day and then sponsoring the party that night. So if you're anywhere in the area, or if you're just interested in cybersecurity or hacking, come to the event, come wear a pirate shirt and come meet up with us, and let's all hang out and then go to the party that night. It's going to be a lot of fun. Me and Amy will be there, and hopefully Werelock and a few others. It's on August 9th. DEF CON is 8th to the 11th, and the Null 404 party is August 9th. So I'm really excited about this. We got some cool things planned for it, and there'll be some free drinks there, and lots of interesting people. That's the best part about these in-person events. You meet lots of like-minded people, and I personally am a lot more effective at, you know, spreading the message of Pirate Chain, informing people about the importance of privacy when I'm doing it in person rather than trying to convince people as a random Twitter account or something online. So these real world interactions are really important, and make sure you seek them out in your own life. Tell people about privacy and the importance of it, and some of the simple steps they can take to get some of their digital privacy back, like using privacy coins. It's not just privacy coins, there's a lot of other cool tools out there that can help you, be self-sovereign, be responsible for your own data, and have privacy over that data. So make sure you guys are exploring all the options out there. There's lots of cool open source tools. And here at Pirate Chain, we're not just about your financial privacy, we're about your digital privacy in general, and we're just one tool in that toolbox. So yeah, come join us out at DEF CON. It's going to be awesome. It's in August 8th through 9th, or 8th through 11th, and the party is on the 9th. The other event we have planned as of right now is the Non-Census Conference in Phoenix in November. It is a it's a Darrow conference, but we are going to have at least one Pirate Chain presentation there, and they are very friendly to pirates and lots of ears that are, interested in privacy and cryptocurrency already. So for the people there that haven't heard about Pirate, they're a very good demographic for us to be marketing to. So that's why we try to have representation there. And I'm trying to get any pirates that are in the area to come show up and hang out there. We can kind of make it a joint Darrow Pirate conference because we are the only other cryptocurrency project that will be represented there. It's just Darrow and Pirate. So I think it'd be cool if we could get a few pirates there and really turn into a Darrow Pirate conference. So come join us out there. I will be speaking at that one. I'll be giving a presentation about Pirate and privacy in general there. Then let me get that date for you guys real quick. The website is noncensus.io, and the tickets for that one cost 100 Darrow, which I think as of right now is about $200. I'm not positive about the price of Darrow off the top of my head. It's on November 7th through 10th. And last year they had food, fed us really well. It was in a really nice venue, a very nice casino with a really nice pool and everything like that. And so as far as just the amenities, it's a very good conference as far as that goes. If you get your money, at least last year, you got your money's worth out of just the food and the open bar on one night and stuff like that. So even if you're not interested in Darrow, you're only interested in Pirate, it's still a fun event to meet some like-minded people that travel from all over the world to be there. And you eat some good food and have some good drinks, and you can spread the message of Pirate Chain with me. So that is November 7th through 10th in Phoenix, and the website is noncensus.io. They're holding firm on the price of 100 Darrow, no matter what the price of Darrow does between then. So I don't know if that means it'll be better buy it now or better to wait. But come hang out with me there. I will be there at least. Amy might be there. So it'll be a really cool event. And let me see. And just wanted to mention that Forge is still hammering away on the Orchard update. It is a big update, so it's not going to happen overnight, but that is the major project the Pirate Chain is working on right now, is the implementation of Orchard. That will remove the trusted setup as among several other upgrades. It is a very big upgrade and a very important moment for Pirate Chain and its decentralization. So just want to reinforce that that is the major project that's being worked on right now, and the people working on it are hammering it away, and they're making some customizations to it that'll only Pirate will have. So we really appreciate the developers that are working tirelessly on that, but that is the major project for Pirate right now, and it is very important. So we're going to be stoked when that comes out, but we don't have a date on when it will be released or anything like that. It's trying to make sure everything is correct, and we don't want to get ahead of ourselves. So Forge is hammering away on that, and it's going to be great and a really big deal whenever it comes out. So keep an eye out for updates on that. Let me see, is there anything else I need to mention, guys? Do you have anything to say in the chat? There's no real updates on VAR at this point. The PBAAS chain on Varus, everything's working good. I'm staking staking and mining some VAR right now. It's actually very easy to download the wallet and get a Varus ID. And Varus is really expanding right now. They're doing a lot of good work. They had representation at Consensus in Austin a couple weeks ago, had a table and a big party, and they are getting a lot of attention right now. And as of right now, Pirate Chain's VAR, VARRR, on Varus is the only PBAAS chain that they have launched so far. So the more successful they are, the more successful VAR is, the more attention it's bringing over to Pirate for some of those people in the DeFi ecosystem. So go check out Varus if you guys haven't already. This is a way you can mine or stake a coin that is one-to-one with Pirate Chain. So you can mine it, you can stake it, and you can swap it on Komodo wallet for Pirate Chain for real Pirate 1-for-1. And they'll have lots of other DeFi applications in the future, but it is not a wrap token. It has its own chain that's half proof of work and half proof of stake. So you can stake it and CPU mine it with your phones and stuff like that. So if you guys haven't looked into Varus yet, go check it out. And I really like seeing that they're having a lot of success right now and doing a lot of cool things, because their big product is their PBAAS chains, and as of right now, we're the first one they launched, so we got all the limelight right now. So go check out VAR and learn about it, stake some coins, and fire up your old phones, and maybe get a little bit of mining revenue coming in. I think that just about covers it. Is there anyone in the audience that has any questions or like to speak at all? Go ahead and raise your hand. Okay, well, I want to remind everybody we'll have our next monthly update. We do them on the second Monday of every month now at 1 p.m. or 12 p.m. Pacific time, which is 7 p.m. UTC. Sorry, so it's the same time every single month. We'll be doing these calls here on Discord, and we also do a community call every Sunday at 1 p.m. Pacific time, which is, or I'm sorry, 1 p.m. Eastern time, which is 10 a.m. Pacific time, I believe. So yeah, we're here every week. We can talk about whatever we want, any pirate-related projects you're working on. If you're a new business accepting Pirate Chain, come tell us about it in our community calls. If you have any marketing ideas or development ideas, come hang out with us in there. There's always a couple team members in there. Sometimes there's some developers. We have lots of good conversations. And Werelock and Oswald, they also have their own research and development fleet called the Atlantic Fleet. So if you have any skills in researching or testing, or want to build something Pirate Chain related that the core developers aren't currently working on, this is a community you can go bounce ideas off of and work with. So Werelock, if you could post a link to your Atlantic Fleet in the chat over here. They are excited about some of the ideas they have and some of the things they're talking about, and they could use all the help they could get. So if you have any skills in any of those areas, go join his Atlantic Fleet. If you have any skills in making images or graphics, I could always use help making those for the Twitter profile. And tweets do better if they have an image associated with them. So if any of you guys are good at making graphics, you can ping me here on Discord or Telegram or on Twitter, or you can just go to the memes and graphics or marketing chats here on Discord. Go post any images you make, or if you want a specific assignment about something I want, you can talk to me there, and I'll tell you about some ideas I have that I haven't had time to make myself. So yeah, come join as a community project. We're only as strong as our community. If you want to influence Pirate Chain and have a hand in accomplishing our goals of making private money that can compete with fiat, this is an open project. Everybody has a chance to come in here and make an impact and really become an important member of our community. So come join us in those weekly chats on every Sunday, and come meet the community and hang out. I think other than that, we're pretty much covered. Make sure you guys come back next month. And thank you everybody for joining. This will be posted on YouTube afterwards, so anyone that wasn't here in the beginning, you can go listen to what we covered then when it's reposted on YouTube. So thank you everybody for joining us today. Yep. Thanks everybody for joining us today. We'll go ahead and call it quits now. Remember, Your privacy is your freedom. Join us here at Pirate Chain and take it back. Thanks for coming, everybody.
Chain come to bring us crypto golden rum. One day when the system is done, we'll take our treasure and go. Once was a ship that put to sea, and the name of the ship was privacy. The winds blew hard and fear dipped down below me. Crypto boys blow.
Advanced privacy protocol that can't be compromised. Transactions anonymous and privatized. zk-SNARKs here to shield transactions. Pirates got that satisfaction. This day and age, I can't get no privacy. Everything I'm being told sound like a lie to me. I don't care, you can do what you want. I'd rather feel safe and secure than on the run. Can't be compromised. Anonymous and privatized. To shield transactions. Pirates got that satisfaction. Can't be compromised. Anonymous and privatized. To shield transactions. Pirates got that satisfaction.
Soon may the pirate chain come to bring us crypto golden rum. One day when the system is done, we'll take our treasure and go. There once was a ship that put to sea, and the name of the ship was private.